branching thing? It's so confusing. Tell me about it. I mean, remember how I told you about... Well, I don't get it. It doesn't make much sense. Huh. Maybe recreating a body different than the original is just complicated? Well, would feel good to be compatible with my outside wrapping. Huh. I know, and honestly, how can you be so careless about your body? I guess I just had more important things to... Funny. Now that I look at it, which what? Well, for me, it all started when I moved abroad. I decided to stay there, and for a while, it was pretty lonely out there. Didn't you have friends? Not at first, no. You can laugh, but I was a little apprehensive to jump in. It was just work and sleep. So that out of boredom at first, I made friends, started going out a lot, but I drank less, slept better, and I get you. Thanks. I'd probably sleep better. Do you think there's a chance you could help me get... Huh. Really?
The hell? Oh, you're done. Wait, something broke. Immediately after you said that you fixed it. I'm not gonna lie, that's a little bit fucking sus. Alright, what is organics? We'll be maxed out on organics by the end of this, so that's fine. I could go to the greenhouse right now with botanist. For producing the raw food. And kitchen. Oops. Do that. Greenhouse is ready. You're making the thing. Greenhouse. Still need a lot more. We need a lot more rapid, so let me check out what's behind the wheel.